Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram challenge required login problem. If you're using Instagram and you're facing this type login problem that whenever you try to log in with your account, you see an error which is challenge required. So let's see how can you fix that. So basically it happens when Instagram systems check any suspicious activities from your account or attempted logins. So let's see how can you easily fix that. You just have a simple way. You have to refresh your network. So sometimes it might be that you have a network issue or you have a VPN connected. So you can easily fix that by fixing some errors. So very first you have to check that you're connected to any internet connection using your Wi-Fi, sell the data, then go back in the settings app, go for general and go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you find any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that, then go back from here and you have to go for this iPhone storage and then go for Instagram app and you have to try to offload your app. You can also try to delete app or you can also try to go for so reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete any kind of your data, so you can really try this. And after that, your issue must be fixed. If it's still not fixed, open the App Store, try to update your Instagram app, search for Instagram, then have to make sure that you haven't any updates for Instagram app. Then go back from here and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, open browser, search for Instagram, and you have to log in using your Instagram app. So here you have to log in with your account and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.